Welcome you all. Today I am going to explain you the topic of minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree is one of the weighted, at the same time it's an undirected graph. Connects all the vertices together, and it should not form any cycle with the minimum possible total edge weight. Yes, I would like to start with a minimum spanning tree with an example of Prim's algorithm. Yes, here this is an example. This graph I am considering to explain about Prim's algorithm. Yes, as I told you, in minimum spanning tree, or at least in Prim's algorithm, we have a graph with weighted, at the same time it is an undirected graph. If we'll start with one vertex, we have to find out the minimum cost once we have to reach out all the vertices with the minimum cost. That's the concept of Prim's algorithm. Once again, I'll repeat. We'll start from the single vertex. We want to explore all the vertex with the minimum cost. This concept we are calling it as Prim's algorithm. I will show you with an example how to solve the problem. I will show with an example here. This is the graph. This example I am considering here to explain about the Prim's algorithm. Yes, here I am going to start with one vertex. Let me start with the vertex number 5. This is the single vertex and it's the initial vertex I am considering here. So from this vertex, if we are seeing this graph, we have two possibilities. One, from 5 to 4 at the cost of 9 we can able to move, or at the cost of 4 we can able to reach in the vertex 1. So when compared to 9 and 4, from single vertex 5, the minimum or cheapest vertex is 4. So I am exploring this here. At the cost of 4 I am moving. Now I can consider both the vertex 5 at the same time. We can consider this vertex 1 also. So from this vertex 1, we can able to move from 1 to 4 or to 1 to 2. So if we are considering this 1 and 5, when comparing these two things, the minimum cost is again, the cost is 1. So I am extending this vertex. Again, now in our buffer we have 3 vertex. One is vertex number 5, another one is vertex number 1, another one is vertex